Hi everyone, welcome to Channeling Luxury. I have a surprise today. I don't do these too often. A Birkin unboxing. I know many of you have asked other content creators, what did you have to buy? What did you spend in order to get your Birkin or your Kelly or your quota bag in general? In some stores, some boutiques consider a Constance to be a quota bag. So I have a relationship with my SA and I've been spending for a while, a little bit here and there. And generally people ask, well, what's the quota requirement? So it can depend on the store. I've spent less than the bag. I've spent just about what the bag costs, and I've spent much more than the bag. I think some of it depends on your SA's ability to get the bags as they come in, like their seniority. And I also think it depends on, honestly, as much as this kind of sucks, I think it depends on how much they like you or how much they want to help you that day. And of course it depends on spend as well, because my understanding is to give a quota bag to someone needs a manager's approval. Those of you who have worked there or have inside information, please tell me if that's not true, but that is what I have been told. So before I unbox this beautiful bag, I'll just show you a couple of things I picked up from the spring summer collection right before I got this guy. And so don't laugh. I know this can look like a construction worker vest. Sorry, I'm not standing up because I have an injured foot still, but this is like a construction worker vest to many people. But actually when it's on, I think it's really cute. I sized it down to a 34. That's not my usual size. This is sized down and it fit really well. So, and that was with a bulky sweater underneath. So I think sizing true to size or down is good. I just personally liked the print on this one. And the orange is not my color, but if I wear coral, I can kind of pull it off, coral makeup. So I love that one. And I don't buy pieces from them that I don't like. So if I don't like it, then you're not going to see me picking it up. And that frustrates a lot of people, I know, but I'd rather take a while to get what I want than buy stuff that I just end up selling on the real or something. So I also picked up this jacket, just light coat, I guess you would say. This is a size 36. It is oversized. It does not fit well on the shoulder, as you can probably imagine. It's designed to do that. It's designed to be boxy. If you check out my YouTube short, you'll see these guys hanging on the rack at the store. So this is what the back looks like. I seriously need to iron it after it being in the bag, but it's just a taupe brown, and it has one of my favorite colors as a liner, which is a mustard yellow, and it's a very light cashmere, like kind of spring coat. I also picked up these joggers, which I had actually ordered online, but they were taking too long to come in. These are a 36. Also, they ran true to size for me. I'm a 36 or 38, and these fit great. They're a nice weight, not too light, not too heavy. My other guy fell. And and then I picked up this piece. I had to size way up here. I went to a 40, and it fits perfect. It's just a light tank. I think it's kind of a timeless piece. You know, there's not any specific year that it can be worn. I'm really trying to be very careful about the pieces that I buy and add to my collection because I hate selling them back. And I still need to make a video for all of you about what happens when you sell to the real. Many of the issues I've had, and also I'm going to show you on screen pricing. So now let's get to the fun part, why everyone's probably here, which is this guy. As you know, I don't do slow unboxings. I've already taken the ribbon off, so I'll just show you the bag. This is a bag I've had on my wish list for 3.5 years. And I happened to mention it to my SA when I was back in picking up a gift for someone. And she said, I might have one next week. I was cringing because I didn't have the money next week. So I am going to sell some older things in my closet to pay for this guy, but I didn't want to leave him there because they are very hard to get. Now, also, my favorite hardware is palladium or rose gold. This is neither, it's gold, which many of you will like. But waiting for one in rose gold, what I understand is a boutique might get one a year, and palladium is kind of hit and miss. So now that I've been looking at it a few times, I love this bag. If you've seen some of my other videos, many of you have said, I guess I wear my emotions on my face, that you know you're not excited about that bag or what have you. This one, you will not see that. This is my all-time favorite wish list piece. And it is a Birkin 25 in black croc with gold hardware. And if I can get him out of here, I will show you. I haven't opened it up yet after I picked it up. It's shiny croc. A lot of you like matte more. Think it's classier. I just wanted it to really pop. This is with the gold hardware. Again, would have loved the rose gold. If anyone wants to trade, let me know. But there's levels of croc, and you can tell by let me see if I can get this done without making a mess here on the video. There's a little symbol inside, I'll try to show you, that will show you what level of croc it is. My understanding is that there's a square, which would be maybe a level below this. And then you see that, and those of you who are more educated in this, please comment. But you see the little arrow here, the up arrow? Supposedly that's the highest rating of croc. I'm not sure what makes croc good or bad. I think if it, maybe the pattern on the skin, that's not an area that I'm well educated in. But here's the inside. It is also all black with gold hardware. And like I said, I haven't done anything since the boutique because I wanted to do this video first. So I will take this off now and you can see how beautiful it is. So I will be wearing this. The 25 for me is my perfect bag. I know you can't put it up higher on the crook of the arm. I'm okay with that because the 30, I love the 30 as well, but it's just a much bigger bag for me. So the 5 centimeters really makes a difference. I don't know about many of you, but I would love a Birkin 28. That's not going to happen. So this is my dream bag, wish list bag for years. Finally came true. And at the end of the appointment, my sales associate said, and I have a surprise for you. And I was thinking more than this guy because she was so kind and patient to wait actually on me due to surgery. And she said, yes, you can make a special order today. So obviously I was shocked, wasn't prepared, had no ideas what I wanted to do. So I just kind of did it on the fly. So I'll be showing you here up on the screen, the images of the 2 colors that I use. So I made it with, I know my French is horrible. Many of you have slammed my French. Trust me, I know. The Hermes Gris Pearl, something like that, Gris Pearl. And then also graphite. Graphite I can't say. So on the front I did Gris Pearl, and on the sides and the top and the handle and the straps I did graphite. There's a 6-month wait, and so I'll be showing you that bag when I get it. But this is my dream guy, and I'm so happy to have him. I will wear him day and evening. To me, there's no really difference as long as it's not a clutch. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you all and do my quick unboxing. So thank you for watching. If you find my content entertaining, amusing, interesting, or helpful, please subscribe and tell your friends. We'll also be launching our website in the next couple of weeks, channelingluxury.com. So check it out. It's just going to be kind of a compilation of where you can find information. And also many of you who have been having comments or questions and sending them to me on Instagram will have a forum, a place that you can ask, just to kind of keep them consolidated, because so many of them go into the other box and I don't see them for months. So take care, everyone. Thank you again for watching, and thank you for referring me to your friends. Have a great day or night wherever you are.